Oh no, this generic smartphone has a problem. That clickbait title will sure get a lot of views. I'm on camera right now. That can only mean one thing. It's unboxing time. It's your boy, Devin Dew. He's back with another unboxing. In the olden days, if you wanted to take buttery smooth footage, you either needed to mount your camera or have a cameraman with a big vest thing strapped to his chest. Camera makers added image stabilization, but we still have shaky camera footage. Because, you know, camera can only do so much. So the solution is a handheld gimbal. You may have seen them. People walk around with them. Well, today we're going to go over the cheapest gimbal I found on AliExpress. About 60 bucks. Just a large ping pong paddle bag. Here we go. The FUNSNAP Capture backwards E. In the spirit of FUNSNAP, we're gonna have a fun boxing. Ha! Ha! It's a pun. Get it? All right. Let's open this bad boy up. It says there's face tracking. I don't see a camera. Apparently though, there's an app that you download, connects via Bluetooth to the device, and then tracks your face, I guess. On the back, it says max 8 hours of battery life, Bluetooth control, 320-degree pan shot, quick vertical horizontal switch, time lapse, zoom. All right. All right, first technical hiccup. As you can see, the box is a little bent, which is making the other box kind of stuck in there. Oh. Wow, this really is a fun boxing. Oh man. There we go. Smooth as butter. There we go. All right, there we go. That's what's on the inside. We got instruction manual in Chinese and in English. We got a little triangle here. Qualified certificate. Oh, neato. Basic instructions. USB cable, counterweight, USB cable, and then the gimbal itself. Oh. All right, so it feels plasticky. Has a little tripod mount right here. The handle's a plasticky grip. This is kind of a rough edge right here. You can see I'm kind of rubbing away some of the excess plastic there. Plastic or rubber. Up here it's all metal. A like brushed metal finish. You install a counterweight right here. Screw it on. And then in here, we got our battery. It's a, if I can get it out, it's a 18650 2600 milliamp hour battery. All right, and then finally, we got our carrying bag, which, see if I got gypped. The carrying bag was like $4. Does it fit inside? Or will it only be used for ping pong? All right, this. All right, well, there you go. It fits, kind of. Yeah, this is what you get. $60. Let's try it out. See what it's like.